guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to clean the fridge. So I'm going to show you how it was before, and I'll show you how I clean it, and then I'll show you the end result. So right now I'm just showing you what's in the fridge. We haven't gone shopping yet, so it's almost empty. But I'll just remove everything first outside. Then I'll clean it. You can see how it's dirty. I'll remove everything inside. Clean it slowly, then return everything after it's clean, so that when we go shopping, we can just come and arrange our things there in a clean fridge. Okay, hope you'll enjoy this video, and for the new viewers, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Let's reach 500 subscribers, and make sure to drop a comment down below in the comment section. Engage with me in the comment section, and I hope you'll enjoy watching this video. Bye.
my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da da la la la. La da 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 dee da da la 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 da la da la la la. La da la 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 da da.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you, boy, that you